Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a professional electronics technician or serious engineer looking for a premium soldering and rework solution, the Weller WXS 2020 Rework Set is one of the most advanced systems available. Designed for precision, speed, and reliability, this complete workstation is built for demanding repair, manufacturing, and electronics development. At the heart of the system is the WSmart Power Unit, delivering intelligent power management and precise temperature control for consistent soldering performance. Whether you're working on delicate circuit boards or larger electronic components, the system provides the accuracy professionals need. Included in the package is the WSair Hot Air Rework Tool, making it easy to remove and replace SMD components, ICs, and other sensitive electronic parts without damaging nearby components. It's an excellent solution for PCB repairs and advanced electronics work. Pause. You also get the WXMS Smart Ultra Soldering Iron, engineered for rapid heat-up, outstanding thermal recovery, and precise temperature stability. This allows you to complete solder joints quickly while maintaining excellent quality and protecting sensitive components. Another major highlight is the WXDP 120 Desoldering Iron, which efficiently removes solder from through-hole components, reducing repair time and making component replacement much easier. For technicians who perform frequent repairs, this tool can significantly improve workflow. The entire WSmart platform is designed with digital connectivity and smart tool recognition, helping optimize performance while supporting modern electronics repair environments. Pause. Although it's a premium-priced system, the build quality, precision, and productivity gains easily justify the investment for professionals, repair centers, and electronics manufacturers. Overall, if you're searching for a high-end rework station with intelligent features, exceptional precision, and professional-grade reliability, the Weller WXS 2020 Rework Set is one of the best soldering systems you can own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next video.